Ruler judges and the constitutional bench judges.
Your
8
Lordship,
and 8.
can I refer, in my submission, Ziaur Rahman was read relating to judicial power. Asma Jilani relates to judicial power. I have set out the extract from Asma Jilani at serial number 15. I'm not going to read it out, but it says that judicial power vests in the Supreme Court, even where the language of the ouster is explicit, and in this case, in my submission, there is no such explicit language. Your jurisdiction is not taken away. कल को अगर 27वीं आईनी तरमीम आती है और पार्लियामेंट ये फैसला करती है कि an executive officer will sit above the Supreme Court and decide all cases finally, can you not look at it? Of course you can look at it. You will have to look and examine the scope of that amendment in exercise of your judicial powers.
Nobody has declined to hear your merit case or 226 amendment challenge.
Your Lordship, I am addressing.
कह रहे हैं आपसे कि हम नहीं सुन रहे इसको. मतलब if you want to argue on merit, obviously we will hear your case whether the constitutional amendment is in accordance with the basic structure and scheme or not. That is the basic point of your challenge.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप लोग जो observations आ रही हैं from some members of the bench, कि हम अगर चाहें भी आप हमें रास्ता दिखाएं, मैं कह रहा हूं रास्ता है, प्लीज उस रास्ते को लें आप. This is the submission.
It is your argument if somebody imposed some executive on the Supreme Court and we cannot allow or we cannot hear that challenge. It is not the case. Still we can hear. You can start your argument on merit right now on the main petition if you want.
No, my lord, first.
So कोई issue ही नहीं है.
जी
आपको सुनते हैं. If you will be able to convince us whether it is against the basic structure and the basic scheme of the Constitution, this is the only ground for striking down the constitutional amendment in.
Salient features पे मैं नहीं आ रहा. एक और मेरा नुक्ता है which I'd like to convey now, कि मेरा जो challenge है, including the challenge on the basis of implied limitations. District Bar is based on the principle of implied limitations on the amending power of Parliament. But there are also express limitations. You have to comply with Article 239, 238. My case is that 2/3 of Parliament freely exercising their right to vote did not support this amendment. It passed by, I think, a majority of 1. And that's something that will need to be decided. And if your lordships, whichever forum hears this, ultimately agrees कि जी procedure ही नहीं follow हुआ, so the amendment will never have validly come into force. And that is void ab initio. We must behave as if it never existed.
Yes,
now to preserve.
Yes. If you will argue on merit, this is the question which can be asked from the Federation and the Learned Attorney General, whether the procedure was followed, whether the amendment was right or wrong. After your argument, they will be given right of rebuttal to that.
My lord, what I'm saying is
this. And you both, but on merits. So we are
what I'm saying is, it is a submission on the appropriate forum to hear this petition. It is not on the merits. Exactly. It is saying that if the constitutional amendment was never validly passed, it never came into existence, then this bench's constitution was never validly made, and that is why I am submitting.
This is a question.
Again, आप उस पे आ गए.
Submission है.
ये presume करके कि ये validly passed नहीं है, वहाँ से start है.
नहीं, I am saying
found what is in the book.
नहीं, अगर validly.
Counsel, you are seeking. Counsel, I speak for myself. You are seeking the main relief through this application with regards to the 26th Amendment. We have to shut our eyes, shut our ears and give you the main relief.
My lord, I'm not saying
with regards to the response to the 26th Amendment.
Please read my CMA. My CMA does not say strike down the 26th Amendment. My CMA is very focused, which is what is before your lordship now. It is, please send these cases to the original full court. Very simple, right? And the submission is, there is nothing stopping you from doing that. Can I, my lord? No, my lord, on my paper book, my lord, इस पेपर बुक में सीरियल नंबर 1 पे मैंने रिटन सबमिशंस भी शामिल किए हुए हैं, which set out my formulations, and I may have missed some of the points, but those are there in writing. And इसमें सीरियल नंबर 1 पे my lord पेज 1 से लेके पेज 12 तक वो है मेरे written submissions. I'd request this bench before writing your opinions or forming your final opinion to go through that. And I have referred to some case law. अगर आप सीरियल नंबर 11, 12 और 13 देखें, this is pages 58 to page 77. This is case law which is authority for the proposition that where the vires of the instrument creating a forum is under challenge, then that forum should not hear that matter. These cases say cannot.
Suppose if jurisdiction of the entire Supreme Court, जिसको आप full court कहते हैं,
जी, suppose
पूरी Supreme Court का jurisdiction कोई भी amendment आती है ले ली जाती है, suppose खुदा ना करे, फिर कौन सुनेगा?
हेलो, मैं तो यही कह रहा हूँ कि सुप्रीम कोई ना कोई तो फैसला करेगा कि वो सही है.
वही सुप्रीम कोर्ट सुनेगी ना
जी.
बेशक पावर ले लीजिए लेकिन सुनेंगे स्टिल वही.
और यही मेरा सबमिशन है.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि वो नहीं सुन सकते.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ओरिजिनल फुल कोर्ट बिल्कुल सुन सकती है.
जो जजमेंट्स आप पेश करते हैं कि जिस अथॉरिटी की जिस एक्ट के तहत कोई ट्राइब्यूनल या कोर्ट बनता है वो नहीं, नो डाउट वो जुरिस्डिक्शन का फैसला एक्ट का फैसला नहीं कर सकते हैं. जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कोर्ट्स होते हैं वही अपने जुरिस्डिक्शन का और बाकी कोर्ट्स के जुरिस्डिक्शन का फैसला कर सकते हैं. वो उस एक्ट का जुडिशियल रिव्यू सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट ही कर सकती है. कोई और ट्राइब्यूनल कोई और कोर्ट नहीं कर सकती.
और मैं कह रहा हूं
कि बात की जा रही है ना कि जिस कोर्ट को जुरिस्डिक्शन दी गई एक एक्ट के जरिए वो कोर्ट उसको नहीं सुन सकती. नो डाउट वो ट्राइब्यूनल और वो कोर्ट तो नहीं सुन सकती, लेकिन ये कदगन हाई कोर्ट या सुप्रीम कोर्ट, सपोज कल किसी हाई कोर्ट की जुरिस्डिक्शन ले ली जाती है तो क्या वो हाई कोर्ट के जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पावर ऑफ रिव्यू वो खत्म हो जाएंगे?
माय लॉर्ड, माय सबमिशन इज द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एग्जिस्ट्स. The Supreme Court's power has not, under Article 184(3).
This bench is also offshoot of the Supreme Court.
This bench is a bench of the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court also still exists. Article 184(3) में इन्होंने amendment तो नहीं की to change Supreme Court to a constitutional bench. अभी तक वो jurisdiction Supreme Court ही के पास है. So what I am requesting this bench to do at this stage, and of course it's a matter in your discretion, but the arguments that I am presenting is that there is no bar. Please don't say that we are stopped. You may think it's inappropriate, but you are not stopped. There is no bar. The appropriate order which would preserve, in my respectful submission, the credibility and moral authority of the process would be an order whereby these petitions are heard by the original full